I'll be honest, most people use their phones for WhatsApp, TikTok, and that's it. But this thing in your hand can make you money every single day if you tell it to. Here's the play. Hook, value, proof. First, freelancing. If you can write recau, awen stir, au design, au bidumawa recau, au edit videos, even a little, you can get paid. I started by posting I edit short videos. First one free, Facebook groups, Fiverr, one client turned into three turned into repeat gigs. Pro tip, offer 24-hour delivery on small jobs, speed wins. Second, YouTube automation. You don't need a face, just a system. Pick one topic, write a script, use stock footage, AI voice, or your own voice, and post weekly. Short, searchable titles like 5 side hustles that pay daily. Reinvest your first $50 into better thumbnails. Third, sell simple products. Your phone is a store. Take clean photos. Post on WhatsApp status, Facebook Marketplace, Instagram Reels. Offer local delivery and cash on delivery to build trust. Start with fast-moving items, phone accessories, skincare, snacks, stationery. Keep inventory tiny. Test first, scale later. Fourth, learn a digital skill. Graphic design with Canva, video editing with CapCut, copywriting with free YouTube courses. Practice with daily challenges. 1 reel edit per day, 1 logo per day, 1 headline per day. Document your progress on Instagram. Clients love proof. Look, your phone is not just entertainment, it's a camera, a computer, a store, a studio.